Okay, this is something that's really weighing heavily on me, and some people might take offense to this, and I don't mean to be make you feel bad for what you do, because I think whatever act of kindness anybody can do is good. But here's what this video is about. I see, and I saw a video today where a celebrity went over to Vietnam to see how they was living and see how the kids were struggling with education and making money, and they're living, and they was had kind of a positive attitude, but they was having a hard time. And I understand, going to different countries and looking at everybody else's environment. But here's my problem, and it's a big pet peeve of mine. You have money. You have a lot of it. You got 5 and 6 cars, $1 million houses. You're making movies after movie after movie. Nobody for the foreign countries is coming over here watching your movies. They may be playing over there. But I was always taught, take care of home first before you spread abroad. We have institutions, and some of these celebrities have went way across the waters to adopt kids, and we have facilities here that's full of children, babies that need to be loved and could use living in a good environment. And for those of you who can afford to give them what they need, and even if it comes out to say you can afford to give that to them, why not start in-house first before you step outside the walls? I understand those countries are in need, but you have need right here. If every celebrity, and there's 50 states, would go back to the state in which you resided and take care, maybe donate a building for women, battered women, or homeless people, or rehab some, or invest into um, whatever program they have will assist people. Do you know how it would change things? How this could help the economy to build things back up? But we so big on going somewhere else, and it's like skip home. There's a whole bunch of problems here. And it doesn't make any sense. And I know you might say that's really cruel for you to say. No, it's not cruel. It's the truth. You have the money you have the means. Some people like myself would like to speak up for a lot of stuff, but I don't have that status where I can just walk up to the congressman or walk into an Oval Office and say, I need to talk to you, and you're going to listen to me right away. That's not going to happen. So if you're going to use your status, then use it in-house. Clean up here. There's kids here that need good school. There are schools that's suffering. They don't have the books that they need. They don't have the computers they need. They just don't. It doesn't make any sense. Why you can't fix home first and then go across the way and then work on somebody? There's kids here who would love to go to college. There's kids here who don't have enough money. Their mama is God knows where, and they're raising themselves. Need a lunch, a breakfast, or a dinner, and they don't have no money to get that. Sitting in raggedy clothes, and we get a plane ticket and go somewhere else, and then you want to be on the internet, to my this is a tearjerker. No, it's not a tearjerker for me. It pisses me off. That's what it does. It pisses me off when I see you going across the way. Now, if you're going to go across, you're going to start at home and then go across the way, that's fine. But make sure you take care of home, because there's a lot of kids here that needs. There's a lot of people here that needs. Families who's lost their home, that didn't work hard. People are living in their cars. Homeless shelters that's running over. Kids that need to be adopted. Babies that need to be adopted. But you decide to take a plane and go over there and build and invest your money over there. And the people in the United States is the one who pay for your movies, your concert tickets, your comedy shows, and them nasty little rap songs y'all play, which just blows me because they are so disrespectful. And that's why some of these kids' minds is the way they is now. So if you want to do something, start at home. Adopt a kid here. Go to a shelter. Build an extension. Put some programs in there to help them kids get to where they need to be. because they need to be adopted. They need love just like the Vietnam, the Ethiopian kids, and everybody else. And I'm not saying don't, but if you're going to do that, make sure you make it a level playing field. Get some here and get some there. I don't want to see all on the internet, you all overseas and everywhere else, and you got the funds and the means, and you want to take care of people over there and scrap the people over on this side. What kind of bull crap is that? What kind of message are you sending? I don't have no sympathy for that. Now, if I see, and this is my personal opinion, if I see that you're balancing it out and it's not just over there, but you're doing something here too, y'all go over there and live and help build. We got cities that still tore up. Look at New Orleans, they still tore up too. Some areas where the storm hit Alabama, Mississippi, they tore up. Yeah, I went down there and built. Now, I'm not knocking those who have, because I don't know who has and who has not. But I'm just telling you my opinion. And thus far what I see. And the news relate a lot of stuff. And every time I see something, it's always over on the other side. Now, none of them come over here, and we owe them a lot of money. So what are they doing with the money to help them, their people? This is my question. But we want to take the hardworking people here that help you get to the point where you at, and you don't want to reach back. You should always reach back. Never forget where you came from, because if it weren't for the people, you wouldn't have the money that you have, be in the position that you be in. And sometimes I think y'all forget. You get all these cars, these big old houses, and you forget. Just like the football players and the basketball players. Soon they get a little whiff of money, they get caught up in all kinds of crap. They domestic violence, they own drugs and steroids. What is wrong with this picture? This is why this country is the way it is. Believe me when I say it is the way it is. And we need some Jesus. And they ain't no lie. We need some serious Jesus. We need to pray. And all these religions and cultures, y'all need to come up out the bag in the box and do your job. Because we are slowly going down a narrow way. And everybody is suffering. Not just one person, but it's affecting everybody. And for those of you who have the power to make a difference in a change, you should do that. Make that change.